there you see her, sitting there across the way. She don't got a lot to say, but there's something about her.
Hey everybody, it's Lisa. Today I'm going to be making blankets and pillows for your 18-inch dolls. To get started, we're going to use fabric that's cut 17.5 inches by 9.5 inches for the pillows. And for the blanket, we're going to use fabric that's 43.5 inches by 19.5 inches. To get started on the pillows, you're going to fold your cut about 3 inches from the top. And you're going to glue with your hot glue gun. Put those to the side until they cool completely. And get your blanket fabric. Same thing, you want to fold it until there's about 4 inches, like that. Fold it inside out. Make sure it's all lined up. And glue your seams. Put that to the side, let it cool. Bring back your pillows. Hold your pillows right side out. Poke the corners out. And glue these little flaps down. Now you want to fold in these corners and glue them down. Grab your polyfiber, start stuffing your pillow. Make sure it gets in the corners. Then you're going to glue, and I like to just roll mine over like that. Press down, and there's your 18-inch American Girl doll pillow. Now onto the blanket. After the glue is dried, fold your blanket right side out, poke those corners out, and just like the pillows, you want to glue down the flaps. And you're going to glue in the corners. Then here, you're going to fold this in half to where that seam is. Glue it down. And then you're going to fold one more time, just enough to cover this here. And fold again. And press. And now you have a nice, clean folded edge. That's how you make blanket and pillow for your 18-inch doll. All right, so here's the final product. Adorable American Girl doll sized blankets and pillows. I hope you enjoyed this video, and comment with your projects if you make them too. Take care.